This is what you need to do if you want to manifest your ex back fast. Number one, you need to drop the needy energy. Drop the needy energy fast, babe. Needy energy repels. Not the vibe for you, not going to get you the results that you want. Most people have no clue what needy energy is or how it gets activated. If that's the case for you, hit that follow button, follow along, because that is all I talk about. How to activate your queen energy and let go of that needy energy that is repelling everything that you want. Number two, you say you want to manifest him back, but that is not true. You don't want him back. You want the up-leveled version of him. You don't want the version that hurts you, betrays, lies, cheats, is not valuing you. You want an up-level version of him. You want an up-leveled version of the relationship. If that's what you want, you need to understand this. You are a current match to the current version that you are getting from him. If you want the up-leveled version of him, you are going to have to up-level. You have to be that 50% match of what it is that you want to create. We don't manifest what we want, we manifest what we are. And number three, and most importantly, babe, and no manifestation tool is going to work for you if you do not understand this. You need to activate your queen vibe. You need to raise your self-worth. You need to energetically be a match to what you want. You want him to love you, cherish you, only have eyes for you, want you and only you. How do you feel about yourself? Do you want this manifestation because it's going to give you your worth? You're never going to get it. Do you know your worth and then the manifestation proves it? That is exactly what I teach clients how to do. Boo, the outside reflects the inside. Always learn the proper tools to activate within you how to become an energetic match to what you want, that up-leveled version of him, all the money, the abundance, the health that you deserve in order to enjoy that delicious soulmate relationship and watch what you want come to you. You can absolutely learn to shift this.